Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux IQ-Touch dryer and you're getting an E72 error on the display and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you can do to get rid of it. Now, first of all, what it is that the E72 error is the outlet thermistor, which basically measures the temperature of the outgoing air. There's a failure there. So there's a couple things that could be going on. One is that the wiring to the thermistor could be disconnected, damaged, loose, etc. You're going to want to check that and then repair or replace any of the wiring as necessary. If everything there looks good, then I would just go ahead and replace the thermistor. It's a relatively cheap part and relatively easy to replace. And I will go ahead and put a link in the description to both where you can get a thermistor. Just check and make sure that you're getting the right one for your model, and then a tutorial in terms of how to actually replace the thermistor, which, like I said, is a relatively easy replacement.